Something like curry. You eat curry.
Yeah, we are sitting here selling nice in shop.
Ginger, yellow ginger.
Yeah, we are sitting here selling. I can see. I want to pull and go on.
Where you from this college is messing there?
What do you want? Let me tell you.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Yeah man, yeah, we are going. Dope, I want to do. Yeah man guys, so today we day here on a little adventure. So we can catch some fish out of the pan here, no? So I see what I go on to them, so what I catch. So I can stay tuned to see what I go on. So feel like you want to? See if you want, yeah?
You must cut bamboo over some. Go. Sitting in my use.
If the way in our work, the way there. Yeah, people make it any stick. Yeah man, guys, I'm beat up line now, you know? Put a worm pan line, you know? Feel like I know. So God bless me today. Alright, let's see what I go on there. Yeah man guys, I'm at throat. I'm lying now, so I go and see if there's any luck for us here today. Wow, big fish in the water, man guys. Get a nice one, man. Yeah? Get a nice one, man. Yeah. See me just trouble now, guys, you know. See my cousin there. Yeah, man. So let's see what I go on today, guys. Them thing I'm loving the guys, but if you have good patience when you catch fish, you know. Yeah. Yeah man guys, I'm already here, a bushman style rod, put up a stick. I'm having a line right here, so you see me sir, a 2 me have a wood fish in there. You see me kind of man where they catch one. You see it's a nice one man a while ago. And I keep on some big splash in the water. Yeah, so fishing the guys. I'm gonna get a pick a while still. But I don't eat back. I don't catch nothing yet, so I'm catch something, I can update and show you how I go on. You see me? Yeah man, guys, I'm cousin get one here, but in small. See? In small, so I'll throw him back. Now I then say, I'm gonna throw a lock, but in small, because you can't eat. So I'm gonna do the throw him back. Not true? In small. Alright guys, yesterday wasn't successful. You know, as you see, I won fish catch, but I got too late, right? We got in sun hot, and everybody know first time figure fishing early morning, late evening, not one time sun hot. So I'm go back next time another, right? And today and next day, and I'm show you how I spend my Sunday today. You see me? Cause I don't know. I don't have enough clipping to make a vlog, so I just vlog some part today and show you how I go on. I'm complete vlog. So remember guys, like, share and subscribe, so soon come back. Alright guys, I'm make some fillet, right? I make it out of coconut bunker. See there? You want to do? Just cut off them here and get it to this part and then cut it up. So I use this and so 1 by 3, cut it up and you make fillet. So you can zinc, your man has sold it to Jamaica in the country. Don't know. When I have money to buy fillet, I know fillet, I want some more fillet. You can make it homemade style, you know? Yeah man. Yeah, guys, so you start lift off, you know?
Where your bag going? You can't wait to fire.
Something like curry. You're using like curry.
Yeah, we have to sit here and sell it nice in the shop.
Ginger, yellow ginger.
Yeah, we have to sit here and sell it. That's true. That's true, man.
And 7.
No, man, I don't want to pot there.
This one I pot too, huh?
Take the pot. Push up the pot and then.
Just put the pot. Yeah, we hold them. I want you to get this one water. Yeah.
Chop to my water.
One water we can take.
Yeah, take my water.
I can take. My water may full and gone.
Where you from basically this place
Look here, she go here.
So you're the one.
I not got there now.
What can I make?
walk on me? Come on, call me.
Yeah man, so I have to in time and I pass now.
Are you still not?
Yeah, that's story part, you know.
They coming like me know, so they get their pastor coming out.
Over there.
Dumplings are float on top. Yeah man, today meat are gonna gravy. Yeah man guys, so food done now. You know? See there? Pot full of dumpling. Dumpling here in the pot there and see, you know? Curry chicken in the pot here. You understand? Yeah man. That's what going on, you know? Yes guys, I can't come to float to the water, the river, and don't come down here. I would love to go in the water, but the door cannot close, right? See that's enough tree and them thing right here, so and big tree, a bamboo, be trash and garbage the right here because the river come down and bring it here. See? Yeah man. But guys, right here, so the video to end. So to make it this far, thanks to make it yard style cooking and adventure. Really appreciate the love. And remember, follow me on Instagram. The full link to the page down below. So just scroll down, click on follow, and like this video, share it out, and leave a comment down below. Right? So I'll catch you in our next video. So look more. Peace out.